Once upon a time there was a moose. He lives in a dense jungle up to the north. Who loves muffin? If you give a moose a muffin, he will want some jam to go with it. So you will bring out some of your mother's homemade blackberry jam. When he is finished eating the muffin, he will want another, and another, and another. When they are all gone, he will ask you to make more. You will have to go to the store to get some muffin mix. He will want to go with you. When he opens the door and feels how chilly it is, he will ask to borrow a sweater. When he puts the sweater on, he will notice one of the buttons is loose. He will ask for a needle and thread. He will start sewing. The button will remind of the puppets his grandmother used to make. So he will ask for some old socks. He will make sock puppets. When they are done, he will want to put on a puppet show. He will need some cardboard and paints. Then he will ask you to help make the scenery. When the scenery is finished, he will get behind the couch. But his antlers will stick out, so he will ask for something to cover them up. You will bring him a sheet from your bed. So he will use the sheet to clean up the mess. Then he will ask for some soap to wash it out. He will probably want to hang the sheets up to dry. He will go outside to put it on the clothesline. When he is out in the yard, he will see your mother's blackberry bushes. Seeing the blackberries which remind him of her jam, he will probably ask you for some. And, chances are, if you give him the jam, he will want a muffin to go with it.